Hello, so welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch it up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, we have 8 to the power of 8 plus 8 to the power of 8 is equals to 48. So the first thing that we need to do is to factorize 8 to the power of 8 plus 8 to the power of 8. So here now we shall have 8 to the power of 8 into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 48. So here now 8 to the power of 8 into bracket, so 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 48. So here now we shall have to divide both sides by 2. So in that case now we shall now say that here by 2, then here also by 2. So now 8 to the power of 8, then now 2 by 2 shall cancel is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 48 comes 24. So we shall still have to find the value for a. So what do we do in this case? Let's introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of a is equals to the log of 24. So assume we have the log of p to the power of m. So this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So using this, the log of 8 to the power of a shall now becomes a log 8. So here now we shall have a, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 24. So finally, we shall divide both sides by the log of 8. So here also by the log of 8. So that log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now our value for a is equals to the log of 24, then all over the log of 8. So all over the log of 8 in this case. So the next step now, our value for a is equals to, so the log of 24 can also be written as the log of, so 24 can be written as 3 multiplied by 8. So 3 multiplied by 8. Then into bracket all over the log of 8. So here now we shall have our log of 8 in this case. So next we shall say that, so here now the value for a now is equals to, so the log of 3 multiplied by 8 can also be written as the log of 3 plus the log of 8. Then all over here the log of 8. So here now we shall say that the value for a in this case is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 3 separate, then all over the log of 8 separate, so the log of 8, then plus the log of 8 all over the log of 8. So our value for a here shall be now is equals to, so our value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 3 all over the log of 8, so the log of 8 plus 1. So that is now shall be said that when you have the log of m to the power of p, or when you have the log of p all over the log of m, this one can also be written as the log of p to the base of m. So now our value for a in this case, so a is equals to the log of 3 to the base of 8 plus 1. So now this one now shall be qualified to be our correct answer. So here was our question. So let's now confirm if this answer is really correct. So our question was 8 to the power of 8, then again plus 8 to the power of 8 is equals to 48. This one can also be written as 8 now to the log of 3 to the base of 8. So the plus sign shall now change to multiplication, so we shall also multiply by again 8 to the power of 1, then plus here now 8 to the log of 3 to the base of 8, then the plus shall change to multiplication, 8 to the power of 1 is equals to 48. So here now we shall now say that the log to the base 8 shall cancel this 8. So here now we shall remain with 3 to 3 multiplied by 8, because 8 to the power of 1 is 8. Then here again plus, so the log to the base of 8 shall cancel this 8. So now we shall have 3 multiplied by 8 shall give us 48. So 3 multiplied by 8, so the result in this case now we shall have 24 then plus 24, which is equals to 48. So 24 plus 24, so the result is 48, which is equals to 48. So now this one is our correct answer. So now we can conclude that in that case our value for a is equals to, so the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus 1. So these are now qualify to be our correct answer. So let us stop there and see you in our next video.